sustainable management education, not the formal education, right? When we, it is not like that you just go through some, business courses just for the sake, per se, you can say you achieve some good marks and things like that. No. There is a serious program, there is a serious requirement, and everyone should participate seriously. So there is a difference in the serious and non-serious. So which category would you like to have? Serious. Exactly. So whatever the professions we are in, as a student, as a professor, we have to be seriously work for each and every. That is clear. That is the takeaway. Takeaway assignment that we are taking. This particular thing. So whatever activity you do from today, because after this lecture, most of the perspective will change. That I can guarantee. So don't play with the perception or wonderworld. Wonderworld. Many people dream, I am in this stage, but exactly if they, they are in the real world, then they sometimes, get frustrated also. Because so I will very happy to this forum that you lay there. Understood? So from this lecture or after this lecture, please share your perception and share your views to me directly. I will give you my email ID or you can route your email. So knowledge is protected, through email, through personal discussion. So I am just giving you some strategies also, so that you can use these things and you will see in 5 to 10 days everything will be. How many people use frequent emails? Writing an email to the friend. How many people? How many people use email? Writing an email. To whom? Friends? How frequently you are using? 100 emails per day? No? 50? No? 10? I can expect 10? 10 is okay, yes. So we have to be more inclined and serious while writing, because once we write an email, then possibly you can learn new words, context, phrases, and some discussion. Is that clear? So I make an appeal that you try to create a habit to write an email to your professors in a more logical way. Logical means professional way. And there is a lot of discussion going on around the world and industries also, because I also connected with the industry. Most of the good companies in India and abroad as well. So they always discuss with me, sir, we are not getting the right attitude to students, professional students. They are weak in quantitative technique, they are weak in communication, they are weak in writing, they are weak in making a dialogue also. They are failed because the business is lost once you don't have clients, right? Because everyone require a good person, good employer. Any employer require a good employer. So what is the definition of good employee? So here the role comes of management education, and these are the very serious assignments. So please pay attention on the words which I am emphasizing and make use of this, right? So I am moving to this one. So redesigning management, because now time has come to change and define the new methodologies of the management education or technical education. So there is not a much difference, because I am also dealing and I have seen different programs across different projects also and management also. So I could not found anything just for the branches. For engineering, something is required. For management, is the more or less less. So don't categorize yourself. Rather, you try to engage and do some meaningful tasks, and possibly you can flourish more in life. So those who are in engineering background, they can take some talks from with some professor. Go to some professional websites like LinkedIn, you will find. So learning is more money. So I am not appreciating. It means there is a serious requirement and you have to work for. So I had guys. So what is the difference between discovery? If you are saying discover something, discover, so there is another terminology, discovery. There is another term which I can say idea. At times many companies start from ideation to reality. Take the example of Nirma. Nirma was a concept, Kasarbai Patel. He was the only technician, and after that he lectured. And now you can see the Nirma company. But no advertisement is coming out very much. No advertisement is coming just like other companies are doing.
Yes, sir.
From idea to the reality. So Kasarbai Patel has started his business in 66 and today 2016. So it's a gap. So there is a lot much different in discovery, innovation, creativity. Hope you got the point. So many times, people live in their own perception that okay, this can be an answer or I can best trade, Many people, intentionally they use to, okay, no. So this is not the question. We have to work serious hard work, and only the knowledge can be harnessed from books. Go to the library, spend some time, try to practice it. Many people are, being in, creating some spelling words also. So not much work, my dear friends. Not much. So in this 10 minutes discussion, I have made the conclusion that you are weak, but you can pick up. One assignment in the next step. So now you are here, but you can go to the next step. It makes sense? It makes sense or not? Right? So you can see the challenges, some variables are in the exam, how can we program currently meet these demands. Many schools take, how many business schools are in the country? Can anyone give me a rough estimate? In the country, including all government, private. How many business institutes in country as of now, today? Any rough value from the last? Business schools are almost closed. It means there is no faculty, there is no formal education, there is no structure. So people have decided to close the business. Is that fine? And slowly, all the business schools are also nearest to the closure. Just because of no clarity. Because knowledge only comes when you practice formally, professionally. So that's why this is the challenge to examine. So this presentation will help you how to examine the best faculty, best student, placements, so many things are. We need all actually. We need all. If the students are good, but they are not doing well, so it is whose responsibility? It is all, institute, faculty, and other people who can, lift our this one. So, how these courses might redefine identity and delivery? So, delivery is the product. You can say the application part, right? So, finally explore how to deepen engagement between the business schools and all. So, that's why, there is a serious requirement of business management education. Many people debate also, no, MBA is not required or management education is not required. But if you see concretely or if you conduct the research, then probably you will find that management education is the last stage, you can say, of your formal education system. Because whatever you have learned so far, that you have to assimilate. And assimilation only takes place in this flow. Management education. Is that clear? So management education will give you some idea, facts and figures, some leverage, where you can take up your entire thing and explore in your discipline. So I'm not categorizing discipline, whether you are from marketing or finance or operation or HR or some other area. New areas are these days, IT, information technology management, right? Different, computer programming, management are also coming. Business analytics. Business analytics is a what area is that, People are talking international management, education management, higher education management, so many, areas are coming. So there is a serious requirement of these areas. You can see some data is I'm sharing with you guys. So you can see from AICT New Delhi, in engineering institutes, you can see 2006 to 7 to 13, 12, 13. Number of institutes are increasing. In the first column, if you see, the number of institutions are increased. Growth is also increased in the 2008 and 2009 year. So you can see the data was also projected based on this, and the growth was maximum in the year of 2008 and 9 when the recession was there, because people were retained and they were in the major business. After that, the decline started. And after 12-13, the data is not captured, but we can say that based on this, there is a too much decline in the management education, engineering education also. Many private engineering colleges and they are working in many recently I have also taken one PhD Viva in Dehradun. So one lady has conducted research on the admission rate of the faculties in private and government institutions. So the findings were, yes, because of a difference of 2,000 salary, the faculty decide to leave the job. But according to me, if they are engaged in a very good institution, they can use this platform and upgrade themselves. Money is not a barrier, but for many people, money is the barrier. So I feel so, the opportunity can give those institutions where the some relaxed environment is there, they can go to the library, they can write some articles, so many things they can do. So they are not critically thinking whether they are the faculty, whether they are the student. So there is a serious requirement of these affairs. Take the example of management also. Growth was 2% in the 2007 to 2008 year, and now 2012 to 13 is 3%. So in 8 or 9 and 10, the situation was very good for across the courses, whether it is a BTech or a MTech or whatever you can call. But after this, slowly the decline started. So data is also, because data sometimes many people at times feel this data is sometimes redundant, but this can give more value, more information than any research paper, any thesis or whatever. Right? So this chart shows that there is a growth is required. So I can define if there is a requirement, there is a good opportunity. Right? So in our perspective, there is opportunity for all of us, because we all want jobs, good jobs. So if you work in India in some MNC company for 2 or 3 years, you can take up in the next level based on knowledge. In my business school, I generally provide some opportunities, international, national opportunities to my students. Last year also I said 10 to 15 students abroad. If they have the knowledge, they can go. If they don't have the knowledge, they are not leaving. Clear cut example. And I will give you 2 words which you fascinate also. 2 words are major important in corporate. Can anyone give the answer? What are the 2 words mostly used in the corporates? Two important words. You all know. Anyone help me? If you, let's say, I am giving you the scenario. Let's say you are employed. You are working in the company, right? Or you will work in the company. You are delivering best services. It's okay. They are also giving you the salary and all those things. Right? If you will not work well, what they will do? They will keep give you the salary, or they will fire? They will fire. Simple. They will fire. So 2 words are important. So I will share with you, and you also appreciate. So one is the word is thank you. So thank you defines, right? Thank you. Another is sorry. So these 2 words are playing a very important role. Wherever you work, and you will work also, you will realize, I'm only talking about the practical aspects, right? I'm not talking in general, like, the practical aspects. If you see that only 2 words are there, if you are working there, you will be paid, otherwise, Tata, bye-bye, thank you very much. You can go and clear all your accounts. If some accounts are due, please be paid. There is no second thought on argument. Right? So, what is the prime conductor who can sustain my life in the company or wherever I am working? Only the knowledge and the proper engagement. And ethics also, yes. With ethics, we can do it. If we will follow some shortcut, what will happen? Up to certain extent, we will be successful, but after that, everything will be shut down. Finished. So these are important things. Many people in this digital age also, many people will, waste their time on WhatsApp these days. Some gadgets are coming, applications are coming. So most of the students are there. What I think generally, they should devote 1 or 2 hours in 24 hours for these things. Yes, I can understand, you need some network. So some people are using this WhatsApp just like a media. They are only forwarding the messages. Wasting the time only forwarding the messages without reading anything, whether the content is legitimate or not. It means it is the wastage of time. How many people send only forwarding? How many people? Please be ethical. How many people? Yes, you. Very good. Any other? Generally we do. Without reading anything, we are forwarding just like that and increasing the carbons also. Carbon trading, carbon credits also. Carbon, we are polluting the environment. So if there is a tax, there is a carbon. Google is the main polluter these days. Many people doesn't know, but some are, remembering these, companies. Google is now, purchasing and selling, some space on $1.32 per month. If you want space, then many people publish, there is no law in the market. But there is a law in some part of the country. But we people are not getting the clear part to go. Right? So these areas are important to examine the implication. Any people who can help me? What is implication? You know the meaning of this word? Implication. Look at that. Implication. Any faculty, any student. Implication. Okay. Convertible. Convertible means some impact is there, right? So that is the implication part. Effect is there to reduce cost associated with energy consumption. All products are energy based or not?
Yes.
Including a mobile phone, smartphone.
Yes.
If there is a battery, it is working. If no battery, what will happen? Whether the mobile is cost of 2 lakhs, no matter. Without battery, and popular example these days is Samsung. You can take the example of Samsung. Share markets have gone down just because of what? Battery. But not the technology. So Samsung is failed. It lost the market. So there has to be some system which is based on energy. Same in our human body also. If we are energized, we can do so many, gymnastic work in the day or in a full day. If no energy, we people are, lethargic and, no interest will come in. So energy is one of the components here, So we have to reduce the cost of energy associated in any area. You are wasting your energy in the WhatsApp or not? How many people agree or disagree? How many people agree? Raise your hands. If WhatsApp is a wastage of time, some article is coming.
Yes.
Right? So consumption of energy should require based on the need, otherwise not. Right? So these are some important areas here people should work upon. Take this triangle: environmental dimension, dimension of sustainability, social dimension, economic dimension. So there are the important 4 or 5 pillars in management education or any area you can have. Sustainability. So you can note down. or you can say 5 pillars of sustainability majorly. So first is energy, you can note down for your benefit. Energy is the first pillar of sustainability. Second is, can anyone tell me? Economics. Economics, E. So this is popularly known as 5E framework of sustainability. आप नोट कर लीजिए, बहुत important topic है. 5E framework. So first is energy, another is economics, third E is ethics. Ethics. Another E is expectancy. It is not available on my slide, but I am just giving you because I have conducted research also. Expectancy. E is also an environment. Energy, expectancy, ethics. How many are there? 4. Can anyone help me to find another E, last E? Environment is already there. Economics, energy, expectancy, environment. Right? So 5 is over. Right? So this is the 5E framework of sustainability, where 3 elements are depicted here. Another is social dimension. Why social dimension is important? Can anyone help me? Social dimensions. You need social circles or not? Right? Without social you can survive?
No.
So we need engagement of social people, like people are there. If some people is with you, the people is supposed to help the other living people. So that is the social dimension. Our honorable Prime Minister is also, changing some areas like, business entrepreneurship, startup, startup weekends are coming these days. Small, Laghu Udyog is there. Small enterprises are, now these days working. So many things, government is also supporting us, the people, for what? For the social dimension. So that people can take the benefit and live happily for their life. Right? If they are engaged, many people are, without jobs also. So Laghu Udyog and these type of social dimension or startup can help to provide the good job for them, as per their qualification, as per their own interest and credibility. So these things are there. So there is no sustainability. Economics is there. So economics, energy security, these are the main pillars of our growth pillar. So overview of management education, whether to innovate or not. I will take again the example, live example. Google sometimes recruit experienced people or without experienced people. And your age. So I am classifying age. So Google is hiring the experienced people in their company or the students like you or the people at your age.
Students.
Yes. So 2 answers I have given you. Which situation is correct? Yes. You want to say something? Yes, speak out. Speak up, yes.
Please pardon.
Google these days recruiting people, for their company. Every time, all companies are recruiting. I have taken the example of Google. Because Google is one of the progressive company in the country or in the world. You can take it. So the options are, they generally hire experienced people, those who have experience of so many years, or they will hire, or they are hiring the people like you, those who are just passed out from some academic institution, and they can be a part of the Google. So which option is correct? That is my question.
Anyone?
Experience.
Bolo.
Experience.
Freshers because the youth like you, they are coming up with the crazy ideas. And Google is the one of the platform where they can build up those crazy ideas into reality. And that's why Google is the #1 company for the crazy ideas where they have built up the. So they are not interested. They are not interested for experience and those people, old people, those who can come and chit chat, work in the from 9 to 5 and they can go. No. So they are always welcome. So the question is related to innovate. So I am giving you some facts and figures also through my presentation. So innovate or die. So Google has the policy, if you want to be exist in the Google corporate, then you have to innovate, otherwise die. Die means you can go and find the other job. We are not here to still keep on for the employment. So based on these things, so now time has come that people should be well prepared. Right? So as I was talking about and emphasizing that you do some homework, some learning is required, important. This is not required, importantly required. So innovative diet, so mantras and business school, same thing also related to the business school. Whether they have to innovate or shut down or close their business. If there is a business, another example, if there is a investment of 100 rupees in some, I am just taking the example, if people are investing 100 rupees and only getting the 90 rupees in return, so do you think that that business is profitable in today's competitive world? Because 10 rupees they are making the profit, and 10 rupees profit with respect to 100 rupees investment is not a good option to run a business. So it is always better to close that business. Right? So